Yes, barley tayo, pero higher, superior barley dapat.
First in the market, tama po ba Kuya Lab?
Japan patented, postbiotic barley. Ang pananaw ko lagi, dapat ahead tayo sa competition.
Coach Love Agudo is a passionate Filipino entrepreneur, health advocate, and digital marketing mentor. Best known as the formulator of Kanzen Barley, the first Japan-patented postbiotic barley supplement in the Philippines. With the support of his aunt, Joy Cataquiz Noska, who has played a key role in guiding and supporting him through the development and launch of Kanzen Barley. He shares how their shared vision and family bond have helped shape a product designed to elevate Filipino wellness.
Ito yung klase ng technology ang ma-adapt natin at Pilipino yung magmamanufacture nito. We can compete globally. Marami kasi ako nakikita sa market na nagpo-formulate for the sake na may maibenta. Ito yung gusto kong iwanan eh. Pinormulate namin to hindi para kumita. Pinormulate namin to dahil sa nanay ko.